Hey guys, Kendall here from Kendall's Garden. Today we're going to be showing you how we plant our watermelon, honeydew, and cantaloupe. And of course, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first things first, manure. Yep, the stuff that comes out of these cows' behinds. This stuff may look gross, but it's where all the magic happens. That pile of manure right there has nutrients that enrich the soil, which in turn helps the plants grow. So we whipped out the tractor and got ourselves a big scoop of manure. Then we headed down to the field, and you can probably guess what happened next. Yep, we started shoveling. We wanted to plant 4 rows of melons. 2 rows are for watermelons, 1 row is for honeydew, and the last row is for cantaloupe. Once we were done putting down the manure, we went and got some sand. Melons tend to grow well in sandy soils, and the addition of sand improves water drainage. As you can see, there's a good amount of grass in the sand, so we had to be very particular while laying it down. Here we have the finished product of all the sand laid down on the 4 rows. In addition to the manure, we added Harmony Organic 543 fertilizer that we use on all of our crops. This particular fertilizer is made from 100% all-natural composted poultry manure. It is slow releasing fertilizer, so the watermelon will get nutrients throughout the whole entire growing season. Now that the manure and sand is in place, we use the Farmall 140 tractor to hill the rows. Then we went down each row planting a few seeds in each location. When moving down the row, we kept the group of seeds about 24 inches apart from the next group. And there you go, that is how we planted our melons this season. Within 8 to 10 days, the seeds will germinate, and within 65 to 100 days, the melons will be mature. While the melons continue to grow, we will keep the area well watered and weed free, making sure they stay healthy and ready for our customers to enjoy.